Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essential prerequisites. Make sure your Xbox has the latest system update and any queued game patches. Once done, power cycle the console and your router or modem, waiting 30 to 60 seconds before reconnecting to clear temporary faults. Now, run the built-in network test in Settings Network. This identifies DNS, NAT, or connection failures. As you follow these steps, pay attention to the exact error code or status shown, because that guides the next targeted fix. Once the network test returns issues, check whether your Xbox is getting an IP via DHCP or using a static address. Incorrect IP settings cause routing problems. If DNS resolution failed, change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8. 8 in the console's advanced network settings to rule out lookup issues. Then verify NAT type, if it's strict. Enable UPnP on the router or forward port 3074 TCP and UDP to the Xbox IP. You finish by trying a wired Ethernet connection to isolate Wi-Fi problems. A cable often resolves intermittent drops. If issues persist, clear network settings on the Xbox and perform a network-only factory reset to remove corrupted configs while keeping games. Make sure to reassign any static IPs afterward. If you still see an error, record the exact code and contact your ISP or Xbox support. Giving them the code and steps you already tried speeds troubleshooting significantly and prevents repetitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.